Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT with Siri on iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max. So I'm provide full guide. So simply at first open your app store, go to search option, search set to ChatGPT. At first need to set up your ChatGPT. At first download. So if you don't know how can easily set up or use this ChatGPT, so I'm provide video link in my description box. Just check out this. Press on open. Okay, go back and open your shortcut apps. So I'm just open my shortcut apps. Click on to plus option. Go to search option. Search set to ChatGPT. When I'm search this, then I'm get voice mode. Just select and now it's set up. Go back. So as you can see, now set up my ChatGPT in voice mode. So go back, like I'm using this is my action button. So this is my action button. So at first need to set up, open settings, click on to action button and you just select shortcut apps. Select, press on to select voice mode. Okay, now set up this and when I'm press on, then it's open this. Okay, hello, how are you? Okay, and you get feedback. Okay, and another I'm using this is my lock screen. Long press, customize, add widget, select shortcut, press on, click on and select voice mode. Now add, press anywhere, press on done and just press on to open my ChatGPT. So that's it, that's all you can do it.